Hey guys, yeah, no, Ekakasini is a really sad story, and I don't think that I'm going to enjoy this whole entire story. Angikwazi ukubuyela story that uzokubuyela khona ngibe ngifila kabuhlungu and stuff, you know why I can't. I just saw this scene, ngaphumelela ehamba yolwandle laphayana begging uNoxolo to come back, praying and everything, and I'm like, nah, this is not my type of story. And I want to talk about that and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. There was no way that Unoxolo Khune came back after that. Yo, that scene was so emotional. Like, it's so, I don't know, it's so sad. And I think this is where Stained Glass Production got it. But create a story that is very different. Like Menuma Okro and Kakasin, I was thinking, the story that has a groovies, like Sobono Tira, La Payana, ma party and every weekend. Like, what's going to say that a Kakasin in life? Like the nightlife as it's a win, it's no so and I say Makaino to some so win, so groove, it's a win local and pale. I never thought it could be something so sad. I hope they're going to do better as time goes on. So I saw this scene from Melel praying there olwandle ukuthi ingane yakhe ibuye. As we all know that ingane yakhe uNoxolo ishonela phayana olwandle. So they're in a search now for her. But I'm glad that her body is finally back now, which is also gonna be more sad because as we all know, when this story started, they've been telling us that Noxolo was a miracle child and everything. So it's a child that they've been trying for a very long time. Bengakwazi ukuyithola. So finally lapho sebeyithole khona seyindala manje. Guys, this story is so angaz. Comment down in the comment section. What do you think about this? And if you enjoy content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.